Hey everyone, welcome to Legal Alien Racing. I was mic'd up the night of the race. I'm going to use audio from inside the helmet and chime in here and there, and I will see you after the race.
What's up everyone? Welcome to Legal Alien Racing. This is the final at DKC. I'm starting 6th. Got Jeff in front of me, Sosa next to me. Got Chance on pole, and I've got Chance in my headset right now. What's up, Chance? Say what's up.
Hello everybody.
And we got Russell starting in 2nd, and I don't know who's in 3rd in the 21 cart. All right. Last video, Jeff, the guy in front of me in 26, we had the race for the win, so we'll see how this works out.
Back there.
A little bumpy. God damn it. Got bumped out a little bit. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think I'm in 8th place.
Car has cold tires.
Got a lot of work to do. I got freight trained around 2. It's all right. We'll settle in here. Seems like I have a pretty fast cart. Here's I do. Got Sosa and 25 in front of the guy here. Let's work on getting around 2. Got to drive good lines. I'm a little sloppy. All right, got a good run. Good run. Settle in and get him on the straightaway. He's looking around, worried about me. I'll just get him on the straightaway here. Go to the inside. See if I got enough cart. Nope, sure don't. Pulling away just a little bit. See if I can get a run off of him on this next turn on the exit here. A little traffic behind me, no big deal. Chance, what place are you in?
1.
4th?
1.
1?
Yeah.
Jerk. Bump Sosa past that guy is a smart move for me. You're welcome, Sosa. Block the move to the inside. Watch the over-under. Keep it tight. Carry speed on the outside. Check the inside, looks good. Check the inside, looks good. This car doesn't do well in that turn. I need to do better there. Car does handle pretty good overall though. Some good bumps behind. Did bad there, slid out way too much. Rolling out the throttle there. Alright, we're gonna check the back, see. Okay, I got a guy, I don't know who's behind me. I'm gonna start here so I can swing out. That's Russell. Good racer. Let's go, Russell. Let me slide back in here, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spot. Just where I started. It is a decent recovery from the opening lap mishap there on turn 2. Pretty hot outside today. It's warm, kind of humid. These are fairly new karts. Some bumping there behind Russell. I'm not going to defend Russell since I know it's him. On the straightaway, I'm going to let him take the inside so we can line up here and try to track down Sosa in kart 21. Normal line to the outside here. What's up, Chance? The people want to hear from you.
Oh, I'm just cruising ahead, making sure no one's gaining on me.
Oh, that guy's coming back. No, I'm not gonna let 2 get. I'm gonna race 2. That was clean. That was clean. Should clear him here. Ah, a little outside.
Anyone you can bump draft and move your board?
Hold on, what?
Do you have anyone you can bump draft with?
Negative. I have my hands full here. I let Russell go because I was holding him up. All right, we're gonna go defense rest of the race. I feel the bumps. And that guy has a fast kart, number 2 I think it is, in the red shirt.
Halfway, halfway.
All right. I'll take you down to the bottom. All right, swing up. Right up the track, over, under, no problem. That's the problem with going way down too deep. You really kill your exit speed there. You really have to go out wide. He's racing pretty clean, so that's good. I'm gonna have my hands full with him. He's in a pretty fast car. He's a pretty fast driver. I don't know who that is. I don't recognize him. Again, we're in full defense mode. I don't have anything for this guy. He's all over me. I don't know what happened to him. We'll go back out. I think he may be getting challenged, so it's slowing him down. I can't really tell. Oh, really terrible through that. Yep, they caught right back up to me. gonna take a look here. He may go inside. Yeah, he's pretty close. Much better through there. Respectful. Alright, he's gonna try me again on the inside, I'm thinking. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna position this cart. I'm gonna take a look. He's right there. Alright, let's see. He's gonna race me to the... Oh, he's gonna probably clear me here. How much motor he has compared to me. Almost not fair. I'm gonna just get all over him, see if he'll make a mistake. Can't defend if a guy has a faster car in the straights. Ah, terrible. It was good, clean racing though. What's up, Chance? How's it going up there? Illegal alien to Chance. Chance, come in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How's it going up there?
You know, kind of boring up here.
What a chunk, dude. I'm over here like in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like 7th place. Just kind of hanging out. Well, at least I get to go home early. Don't make podium.
Hey, man, at least you have the camera. You can see all the action. It's just boring up here.
Someone tried to dive bomb, give him the little finger wag. That'll teach him, like I always say.
All right, so exiting the corner here, I establish my line, I get one move to the inside, I see them getting a run on me, I'm going to try to block them to the inside and totally mistime it.
Oh, my bad. Oh, that was Juan. Screw Juan. I'm going to race Juan.
He's not taking any prisoners?
Nope. We're going to race. Let's go, Juan. Give him room to the outside. Let's go, Juan. All right, you made that. Let's go. That's Juan right in front of me. I got him mic'd up, so he's probably saying a bunch of stuff. Alright, messed up there. Roll off the throttle just a hair. Slid out. I rolled off too much. Look at the gap.
2 to go, 2 to go.
Thank you, Chance, for the heads up.
Man, you're so far back. I was trying to help you. You know.
Shut up. You're the cart lotto winner, man. You never get a bad cart. Gonna catch Juan a little bit right here. He messed up just a little bit. You see me suck up. Gotta suck up here again. I'm gonna try him going into 10. I'm gonna give him a bump, let him know I'm right here, buddy. I'm a little wide. I'm gonna pay for that. So there goes my move on 10. Not gonna happen. Super close to the tires. Got a little company behind me. All right, Mr. Juan, right in front of me in the 30 cart. We got coming up on 1 lap to go with Mr. Chance in my headset. Say hello, Chance.
What's up?
In the lead. Clear track ahead.
Taking the white flag right now.
Oh, thanks, man. All right, let's try to draft Juan here. All right, I think I had a little draft here. Let's go for it. Yep, I'll get half the cart. Nice little bump. Watch the over-under. Exit wide. Exit wide. Swing back out. Keep it wide. Protect the inside. Okay, got space there. Swing back out. I'm a little wide here. He's gonna probably catch up a little bit. I think he's waving or something at me. Uh-oh. Spin the inside. Uh-oh. I messed up there. He's giving me room. We're good. He went for a move that wasn't there. He had to try it though. Alright, I think we secured, what, 7th spot? Congratulations on your win, Chance.
Thanks, man.
Alright, coming down for the final 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I am 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, yep, 7.
All right, so I finished 8th overall. Was not the result I really wanted, but that's the way it goes. Some nights you do really well, some nights you don't. But I still had a lot of fun racing all the guys. It was really fun to have Juan back out there and Russell back out there and some of the other guys that I really enjoy racing with. Overall, I thought it was pretty good racing. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the race. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these races, especially if you stuck with me till the very end. The rental kart races, people don't really watch these as much as some of the other ones, but there's some really good racing in this series, and I really appreciate y'all sticking with me and watching these races. So again, thank you, and I will see you guys next time. Y'all take it easy.